Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create custom stickers on your Samsung keyboard. On your Samsung keyboard, you can create personalized stickers directly from keyboard using your own selfies or images. So Samsung provides editing tools to cut, decorate, and save them. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and first open up our Samsung keyboard. Make sure it's on Samsung keyboard. Next, we'll go ahead and tap on this emoji icon, and then we'll go ahead and tap on this Galaxy icon. Then we'll go ahead and tap on the plus sign. Now here we can go ahead and create our own emojis. So let's go ahead and create an emoji. So for example, basically we can describe an image. So it will doodle it for us. If you choose illustration, it'll illustrate for us. It can create a 3D emoji, or it can create a retro logo. You can even create stickers using this drawing method. So let's say, for example, you want to draw a car. And as you can see, it has drawn a car for me. So if I like this, I can go ahead and save it as a sticker. Press done. Press home. And then I can go ahead and use this sticker from my emoji area. So here you can basically express yourself with unique, fun graphics, great for adding a personal touch to your message or your social media post. So there you go, guys. That is how to create your custom stickers on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.